My name is Piyush and I'm from Ghaziabad. And I recently graduated from BTech in computer science from Krishna Engineering College. And I recently got placed through Crio.do, and I'm really thankful for the guidance and hands-on learning experience they provided. The real projects helped me to understand how things work in the industry, the support from mentors, and the structured curriculum that boost my confidence. Actually, in my family, there are so many persons that who are in the software field. Someone is embedded, and someone is in web development. So when look at them, that they built a website that in the real world that we look the Netflix, Prime videos, and Instagram. So in my mind, I've just curiosity that how the things will work in background, that if we like the video or if we swipe or scroll, then how the things work in reality or in the background. So that's make me we can say that's make me encouraged to come in this field. Yeah, there are so many platforms, but the review of the Crio is good as compared to the other one. Like there's known as the coding ninja platform, but that was not good. The reviews I have read that the placement is not as expected as they have written in their website. But the placement in Crio and the reviews I have heard about that thing make me that this is the means this is not 100% but 90% I can guaranteed place a placement. Means 10% is my hard work. My most favorite project was the backend project that we have built the queue card. So everyone makes the front end, but when it comes to the backend, that's the thing. Means how the product goes into the cart. When we update the product 1 to 2, then how it updated and how to store the user data in the backend, how to fetch the data. So that's the thing. Means the React is the only 25%, but rest over 70% is backend. So that's why. That's my favorite project, QCard backend. I have done more than 5 projects I've done. These are the very big projects, we can say, a complex project. There are in so many places that I have fell down that how to resolve this. Means this is new for me, that I'm the beginner. This is the first time that I've created projects, different projects. So means in the like I've already told in backend, like how to store the data or how to fetch the data from the backend. This is the basic thing. But when it's come to the when we go deep, so then the things will complex. So that the mentor or the technical team will help me. I am reach out to the technical team how to resolve this, or when the session happens, then in the class I can ask to the mentor that please resolve this. So they can help me to resolve my issues that feel me now all my self-study and all my hard work in making projects, now it's worth it. Because I have given 7 to 8 interviews, but I didn't accept or place. I've only faced rejection, or in some companies they put me on hold. So that time I got demotivated, but at the end I got placed. So at that time I don't feel to giving up. I just think in future everything will be okay. In one chance I can give myself, that in another interview I got placed. So I didn't lose my hope. I just tell that means hold the patience, that everything will be fine if you work consistency, or if you continuously, if you practice the project, if your all the basics will be cleared, and if daily you can solve problems, daily you can read about the mentor that told in the sessions, and you practice, then everything will be happen. Everything will be, we can say, successful at the end. The journey was good. That I was expected. It's the same as my expectation. But if you ask me that, but there's only one thing that I can recommend to the Crio or to the Crio team, that when there is an interview to the when the interview sorry when there is an interview to the we can say what we are candidates. Yeah, when the interview happens, then you can take a mock interview before that the interview happen. That in the same situation for me, my interview was scheduled at Tuesday 3 p.m. So the Crio team take my mock interview at 2:30 to 3:30. That really make me feel confident and positive. Means the questions they ask me in the mock interview, the same question will ask me in the interview also. So that's the thing. I can tell them that you can not stuck on the one thing. Just upgrade yourself. Means in at present time, there's so many AI or so many things will comes up. Like in one stack, only one will not completely, we can say, enough. There are some other things you can also learn, like DevOps part or Linux. You can also learn, or in one also there's one term called Redux. So you can learn Redux by yourself. Means don't depend 100% to the other person. Just give just give the self study or self time to yourself.